This house is unapologetically chic, unapologetically sophisticated, and just a beautiful, beautiful home. The cool thing about this house was it looks like every other home in the neighborhood on the outside. Typical 90s home. The neighborhood was built around that era, and so everything has that feel to it. But we came inside and really changed the interior to make it completely different. We embrace custom. So for instance, the staircase is a custom design. It's one of the first things we designed in the home. And I love anything that has simple shapes. So circles, squares, rectangles, all of that is design that's going to stay around for a long time. It's pretty evergreen. And that's what you're going to see replicated around this home. There's a distinctive rhythm to this house. You're going to see octagonal shapes, squares again, rectangles, but then there's this great mix of Art Deco blended in with a little bit of Hollywood Regency, and I'm not mad about any of that. To me, texture is this beautiful way to liven up a space. Anything that's tactile or has layers to it, and anything that someone wants to actually go over and touch and feel, such as beautiful wall covering, really is important to me. And that is this great layer that you add on top of design that you just can't replicate with anything else. Every project that we work on as a firm and that I started my firm on this philosophy is a partnership with our clients, and this was no different. We really sat down with our clients and figured out what they were thinking. Sometimes they can't even explain what they want, but they can show it to you in photos. And so we really spent a lot of time with them on the front side of this project, really figuring out where they wanted to go with the home and what their design aesthetic was. I think part of our superpower is pulling that out of people, really understanding what they're trying to say when they don't even know what they're trying to say. And the great result at the end of the day is when the client comes in and says, "This home feels like me, this home is who I am," that's when we know that we did our job correctly.